Hi there. Today I want to show a website that I made for New Me Here Studio. New Me Here Studio is a local saloon located here in Irving, Texas. So this is the address of the New Me Here Studio, and they are open from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time. So let me show you the overall website of the New Me Here Studio. So this website is for the customers of New Me Here Studio. So if anyone wants to look on the available services or the price of the services offered by the salon, they can see on the sections where they have mentioned our full services and prices. So these are the prices for haircuts. They do facial, they do wax, eyebrows. So these are the different price point of the services offered by the stylist here at New Me Here Studio. And all these informations, like popular services, they have mentioned men haircuts, women haircuts, kids haircut, facial, hair coloring, waxing, and eyebrows. So this is the overall description of the services, the price range, and history. And the other feature of this website is the customers can make an appointment, or they can go through the description of the hair stylist. So for now, let's go to the hair stylist page. So here, as of now, they have two stylists, Mamta Karki and Joyla Hinojosha. So these are the descriptions, and you can directly make an appointment with Mamata, or you can make an appointment with Joyla. So if you see on each of the pages, home page or hairstylist, there is a button where you can make an appointment directly. So if you go to home page, you can click on this button or this button, and then it will direct towards book appointment. Let's go to the book appointment page and see how it works. So the book appointment is here. For any future date or the present date, you can see the available appointment slots. If you click on the drop down here, it will show the available appointment time for today. If you see here, since they open at 9 a.m. and they are closed at 6:30, they have appointments available at 30 minutes interval. So you can choose any of the time period that works best for you. For now, let's say I want to choose like maybe 4:30 p.m. on 8/24, and all these times are on Central Time. You can enter your name here, first name. So some of the fields are mandatory, whereas some fields are not mandatory. And um, you can enter, let's say your name is John, right, and then last name is Snow, and then your phone number. You have to enter the valid phone number in order for you to proceed further. So for now, let me enter the phone number. So once you enter the phone number, it has to be a valid phone. So once you verify the number, so this is the verification number, and you have to enter the verification number. Behind the scene, you the whole system is using Twilio SMS service in order to send text and the verifications. So once you enter the correct verification code, and then you can confirm appointment. So this is in the production environment. That's why I do not want to make an appointment, but this is how it works. Once you confirm appointment, there is another page which will shows the confirmation number as well as the ability to save that appointment on your Apple Calendar or Google Calendar, or you can either copy the confirmation number as well. And this is a book an appointment where it's very simple, like within few steps, the customers can make an appointment, and this is how it looks. But if you see here now, let me go to the here stylist. So sometimes what happens is some customers really want to make or do their styles or haircuts with Mamta or Joyla. So in those circumstances, they want to choose. Uh, I mean, the website allows them to choose their stylist. So let's say they choose make an appointment with Mamta. Now it will direct to book appointment, but one thing in this page is now it will pre-select the stylist as Mamta Karki. So it gives the customers the flexibility to choose their stylist, so they can choose here, right? So no preference, they can do that. So those things they can modify here. The other thing is, in this website, since this is publicly available website, you can um, go and see the privacy policy, as well as the ability to opt in for text SMS message, and it clearly says that for verification, appointment reminders and promotions. So if you click here, now it will ask for the phone number, and once you verify your cell phone number, you are opted in for SMS. And if you click on privacy policy, so this is the privacy policy of the website, and the new me here studio. So these are all the privacy policy, and everything is clearly mentioned, and some of them are followed here. And since this is using Azure, most of the Azure services like Azure App Service, B2C, Azure SQL, the data are pretty much very secure. So this is how it looks, and if you click on here, you'll go back to the website. Yeah, so this is for the customers. Now for the stylist, I have created a portal where they can see the appointments, as well as they can check in or cancel the appointments. And this is how it's gonna look like. This is the portal.newmeherestudio.com. So so once they click on login, right, and it will ask their username and password, which has been provided to the stylist of the New Me Here Studio. So once you click on the login, and then it will ask your username and password, and you can sign in. And I'm using B2C login in order to validate the users with their provided email and password. So this makes it very secure. Once you log into the portal, this is how it's gonna look like. So as of now, there are mainly two features, two pages: appointments and promotions. So in appointments, when you load for the first time, the date will be defaulted to today's date. So today they do not have any appointments, but this is how here the appointments will appear, and they have the option to check in or cancel. But let me show you the one that is completed. Okay, so this will show number of cancelled appointments, number of completed and pending. So this kind of gives analytical features, and let's say on Friday, uh, there was maybe not Friday, maybe Monday. Okay, so there was one appointment made by Michael, and that's his first name. That's his phone number. This one is the completed one, and number of completed appointments, and they can click on pending, no more pending appointments, right? And then sometimes the customers will cancel the appointment, or they will call and say, hey, we can't make to the appointment today, so I want to cancel. So um, uh, the stylist can go, and they have the ability to cancel it. So the way it works is, in the pending, it will have the option to cancel appointment as well. So that's what they can do. um, Completed is this one. Once you complete it, and it shows appointment time 4:30 p.m. Central Time. So once the customer visits the saloon, they can provide their confirmation number or phone number, so whichever works best for the customer. Will ask the customer will ask that. And on the cancel one, okay, so uh, Sanjay made an appointment for 6 p.m. Central Time on 8/19/2024, and which was cancelled. So this is a kind of general, because having a lot of features which the salon owners and stylists never use, it's not worthy. So that's what how this is how it works. One of the thing is, whenever a customer makes an appointment on the public website, uh, the stylist will also get a text message regarding the new appointments. So they don't have to log in all the time. They can get the text and be informed about the upcoming appointments as well. One of the other thing is, here in main website, sometimes the stylists want to have a Christmas promotion or back to school. So if they want to have a banner somewhere in the website, after this navigation bar, they can add here in the promotion, and then they can include this information, maybe title, back to school, promotion code, description, uh, get ready to go back to school. And then if you are trying to offer maybe 20% discount, and then from, let's say they want to offer from uh, from 26 August to maybe 31st, they can have it. And the option to show in promotion banner, they have that feature. So once they save this one, save and click on show in promotion banner, that will appear in here. The other thing um, once somebody create any promotion, they have the ability to edit this one. So this is how it's gonna work. So for now, let me cancel this one. And this works very nicely in the mobile phone as well. So they do not have to have a laptop in order to log into the portal. This is a very responsive website for both the stylists as well as the customers. So a majority of people will make an appointment in their phone. So this is a very uh, responsive website, if you see here, right? And then if you go here, so this is how it's gonna look like on the phone. And if they go to book appointment, so this is how it's gonna look like. So that's how it will look like on the phone. One thing is, once customers the stylists want to log out from their portal, they just simply can click on log out, and they will be redirected to the login page again. So this is how the website works as of now, but there are other features that I'll be adding in the near future in a month or two, which is the ability for the owner or the co-owner of the saloon to change the price, which are displayed here, and the ability to add or remove some of the services they offer. So that's something, uh, I'll be working on to mm, to give that flexibility for the owners to change the prices. So we have this website has been recently launched, and the owners are going through promotions, and educating, or asking their customers to make an online appointments, so that they can plan accordingly, and they can have some stats and analytics. Um, so that's it. This is the start, and um, we'll be adding more features, depending on the customer's request, or the saloon's co-owner's request. Thank you.